Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video on gold. I'm currently looking here at the gold 1 hour time frame, and the chart continues to point towards further upside overall, but we might still see a dip before we continue to go higher. So obviously, not much happened since Friday. We want to talk briefly about the levels which will be relevant for next week, just because I want to keep you very well informed. And so, yeah, I mean, I still treat this move to the upside as a possible wave 5, right? Now the question is, has the wave 5 started actually, or do we get another dip before the wave 5 starts? White scenario shows the more directly bullish pathway. Orange scenario shows a dip first and then a move up. I don't think we'll really get a decision if it's the, let's say, the larger wave 4 scenario, which would be like this: A, B, C, or whether it's the wave 5 already unfolding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, until we actually see how the market reacts to this support area. There's no way to know at the moment, yeah? And what's tricky is that even in the white count, technically, circle wave, no, not circle wave A here, this A wave could get another high. And even in the orange count, this C wave in orange could get another high. So, I mean, it's not even clear if we are in this pullback that would lead to a test of Fibonacci support, yeah? This 4,087 to $4,193 level. I mean, to be honest, since Monday last week, the market really only moved sideways, and we're just dealing with consolidation here. But I will zoom in and we'll take a look. I mean, if you watched previous videos, then you know the scenarios already. For me, overall, from a structural point of view, it's quite simple. The $4,087 level helps us distinguish between directly bullish scenarios in the white scenario for further upside, directly up further upside, in the white count, and a deeper pullback in wave 4, because, for example, the white wave B here, which might have started, is plausible as long as we're holding 4,087 below. It becomes more likely, yeah, this is where we're going to see the transition of probabilities. It'll become more probable that the larger C wave to the downside in wave 4 in orange is actually unfolding. Now, let's also take a look at the micro patterns, because here, so, here, I'm going to change the wave degree a bit. It's not even clear if we've actually started the move down. It does look a bit like 5 waves down. So I'm going to add a micro count here for that pullback, and it could be an A, B, C structure. And then the C wave could be a 5 wave decline. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I want to highlight here is specifically that as long as, but that's unchanged actually, that as long as we stay below the Friday high, the pressure is downward, which kind of makes sense, but it's just because we have 5 waves down. So it's actually possible that we have a 1-2 set up to the downside here between 4,248 and 4,276. And if we see a rejection from there, it could be a continuation here to the downside. Further downside will become even more likely if we also break below this swing low that formed around $4,202. But yeah, basically all eyes need to be on this micro resistance area between 42.48 and 42.76. Any break above opens the door to another rally to the next resistance at $4,391. That's how I see gold at the moment. So yeah, the next, let's say the next 12 to 24 hours could be quite important, because we'll likely see if the resistance area holds or not. I would say in the next 24 hours, we'll probably get a decision. We'll see. I'll keep you updated. Parameters should be very clear. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our stocks membership, where we also cover gold and silver on a daily basis. And if you're wondering where you can actually trade gold, feel free to check out the link in the comment section. It's a partner link for our partner broker XTB. I use XTB myself. And XTB, they offer gold, silver, but also platinum CFDs, for example. And for example, here we can just type in gold here in the chart section, and you can see that they offer gold CFDs, which closely mirror the gold chart I'm tracking, the gold futures chart. They also have a chart analysis tool. You can trade, for example, stocks and ETFs commission free up to 100,000 euros per month in trading volume. It's very easy account setup. We've got more than 10,900 instruments to trade, globally regulated, and yeah, check it out. Very, very nice. Also, that they offer this chart tool, which is kind of similar to what TradingView offers, just that you don't have to pay for it. Yeah, because TradingView, obviously, they have their paid plans, for example. So yeah, if you're interested, if you're looking for a broker, feel free to check it out. And if you use the link in the comment section, you also support our work here every single day. I wish you a great start to the week. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.